Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily create a partition on Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is write down below in comments that it helped you for other people to know when they would come here. So the first thing that you want to do is go on the bottom, click on a search, and right here, computer management, and click on it. Now let's just wait until it loads. Now, when you're going to be here, what you want to do is under storage, click on a disk management. And when you're going to be here, like this management's here, say this one here. And then what you can do is you can simply right click on it. And then you want to right click and shrink volume. And when you're going to shrink volume, it will automatically create, like, look at this. You have like shrink volume here. And like enter the amount of the shrink in megabytes. I'm going to add like, let's say 100 megabytes. $100. And now, okay, let me show you. Now we're just going to wait. And voila, here we got the unallocated. Right click on it. And then you will right click and use simple volume. Then simple volume in megabytes, click next. Assign the following dry letter. You choose it. Then you click next. And then you just like volume label. You like name it, flash drive, whatever, and click next. And then you click finish. And this is how we do it, right? And that's pretty much it how we do it. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Again, if this video was helpful, what you can do is to write down below in the comments that it helped you for other people to know. And you know how it goes. So yep, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. Okay.